sa canvassing, pero tungkol sa ganibang eagerness sa mga supporters ni Maripato kapag na siya. So, murag na ka na ba forceful na mga patingo nga kinahanglan laman na sa daghan kayo. There was kanimang goods sa vlogger nga si Tio Noven Moni una nga murag break ni ining petition ni Governor Gwen Garcia to suspend the donation. Ito pa ganyan
certificate of canvas of most of the producer of the winning candidate for provincial governor for the May 12, 2025 national, local, and parliamentary election. We, the undersigned members of the Provincial Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 51 city and municipalities for the candidates for provincial governor in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached hereto and forming part thereof in the statement of votes by municipality, city and municipality garnered by its candidate for the office of provincial governor. That after such canvass, it appears that Baricuatro 1,107,924 votes for the office of provincial governor. The same being the highest number of votes legally cast for the said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the public winning candidate as the duly elected provincial governor. Our signatures and imprint the top mark of the province in the province of Cebu. This May 13, 2025 at 3:26. Malayo doktor na magyapon ko yung picture. Atras mo, atras, atras! Atras kamay, atras! Atras kamay, kinapay lang yan sa kayo. Atras, para makakuha ka na yan. May kamera sa likod. Atras pa, atras, atras! Atras, atras, atras! Atras, atras! Paminaw mo ba, paminaw! Alam mo na, atras, atras! Atras mo kamay, atras, atras!